Can you keep to your side of the road?
Yeah, dude, this is not a one-lane road. Seriously.
Stupid fucking old man.
Eagles, I don't agree with this. He said that there was one that was just bouncing around on the windowsill. He was now losing his temper because the pepperoni was gone, so he took his shoe off and threw it at the direction of the bird.
No.
Both the seagull and the shoe went out the window. The last seagull, he said, quote, it was running around the room, and this is a fairly large room, a nice room.
Oh no, you just wanted to make it a legal U-turn.
It had a piece of pepperoni in its beak, and I could not get it.
8-year-old Hart. I waited so many days by my mailbox, like, oh, Harper's response is gonna be good, and nothing.
Was that the best idea? Oh, you're an idiot. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if the camera caught that, but that guy up there made a last-second decision. Oh, dude. What the fuck, man?
Strummy.
Oh,
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Write a letter kinda confidential, sign the book in pencil. Couple next to you, let's go get a hotel room.
fucking asshole. Oh, and someone just whipped an illegal U-turn there. Really?
Leduc just texted, am I the only one?
Wait, I'm still clapping from the song.
You're not even doing it to the rhythm.
Okay, go.
Joe and Leduc says, am I the only one who always sings, can I make your butt clap? But instead of butt, you sing ass.
Now I'm going to think that. Can I make your
Can you people? Can you shit together?
Show with Raj.
Okay, fair accent.
Okay, we got it.
Awesome. Okay, well, thanks so much, Curtis.
Yeah, well, you guys have a good day.
You too, man. Take care, man.
And hopefully
Pretty sure
people
that's
can,
not
you know,
legal.
get these and make themselves quieter so the city...
Sure that he came up with really good. He like busts through, he's like, Kirkland Light. It's 11 a.m. somewhere.
You could signal off if you're gonna pull over. Bob, I see you too.
Like you are normally, or do you kind of have a little bit of an alter ego? I'm asking you to give yourself a name, like Leadfoot Leanne is texting in right now. Or liken yourself to a well-known character. Who are you when you're behind the wheel? User Lapork, they know and they can feel it, even if they don't look at you.
Oh, they know. They know.
Call Rachel 489-4669. Join the conversation.
Wow,
Now Radio.
Find table space.
Oh.
character or actor do you want to be representing angry you?
Okay then.
Chris says definitely a screaming Adam Sandler.
On Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and
Oh,
Snapchat.
that was close.
Edmonton's social network.
We're casting your hangry self in a Snickers commercial. Some of the people coming in right now, Al Bundy,
What?
married with children. Tristan
Nice
from Century
signal.
Park says, you ask about what our rapper, make a record about doing drugs and name it after. Yeah, Mom. You know you blew up when the women rushed the stands.
What did he kill you? Oh, you're signaling the wrong way. Wow, you cannot plan ahead.
Tire and CalTire.com.
Keep Spencer safe playing soccer after school. Keep Sophie safe at the playground this weekend. Keep James safe walking home after that late study session. Playground zones are now in effect around all elementary and junior high schools and standalone playgrounds 7 days a week, 365 days a year. From 7:30 a.m. till 9 p.m. every day, including weekends, you need to slow to 30 in playground zones.
I
Kids
hate
use playgrounds every day.
And when it's time to go, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just
On your face when you say that he's the one that you
Oh,
want.
what are you doing, Taxi?
You're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime.
What the hell are you doing? Is that really a good place to stop? It's an old man, of course. Oh my god. Wow, you are an asshole.
In 1.9 kilometers, turn left on 142 Street Northwest.
Oh, there you go. You finally figured it out. Oh, wow. Oh my god, dude.
In 600 meters, turn right on 51 Avenue.
Why are you stopped? It's a free flow lane.
Now playing Imagine Dragons. 1023 Now Radio.
Everybody circling this vulture race, negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I want to run.
Now Radio.
To prepare for this, tripping in the world. Everybody circling this vulture race, negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall. Yet I'm half deceased, and when I am deceased, at least I go down to the grave and die happily. Leave the body of my
In 4.3 kilometers, turn left to West Monmouth Drive.
Nice blinker. Yeah, just cut them off.
Ricky's, come in. We'll make you one. This Saturday and Sunday at Rona. Get 15%
That's
cash
interesting.
back in Rona
He's
gift
driving us with
cards
hazard
with any
lights on.
in-store purchase of $100.
Wrong signal.
If you texted at 56789, if someone were to come into your house right now, and you didn't have a chance to tidy up beforehand, what would you be embarrassed for them to see?
Text Marika 56789. Join the conversation.
Factory Outlet and Clearance Center, 15221 137th Avenue. It's the 36-hour sale, and it's on now.
You've probably heard a lot about cashback credit cards. Well, at Service, we give you cashback too. Not just once, but 3 times. The Service MasterCard credit card lets you turn everyday spending into free GICs.
Aw, really? Look at this douchebag. Holding up everybody. Keep it there. Man, that's crazy. There are like 3 cop cars.
He knows how to do it.
What? Because I told her that you used to work on cars. I'm in the wrong.